Experiencing fast-forward problems on your Xfinity service? Let's get it sorted quickly. The issue likely stems from three areas: your Xfinity remote, the Xfinity Stream app, or the playback controls on your device like a smart TV or set-top box. First, for remote issues, the most common fix is replacing the batteries. This resolves about 40% of cases. If that doesn't work, ensure there's no signal interference and that the remote is properly paired with your Xfinity box. For app problems, make sure you're running the latest version of the Xfinity Stream app, version 7.5 or higher. Also ensure your device meets the compatibility requirements, Android 10 or higher, or iOS 14 or higher. Lastly, for playback control malfunctions on smart TVs, check your HDMI/CC settings. Power cycling your devices is a good first step for all these scenarios. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the fast-forward problem, consider more advanced solutions. Check your internet speed at speedtest.net. Speeds below 25 Mbps can cause playback issues, especially in rural areas. Account-specific errors, like parental controls, might also be blocking advanced playback. Xfinity has rolled out firmware updates like 2025.3.1 to address these problems. Ensure your devices are updated and reboot after installation. Looking ahead, Xfinity is shifting to cloud-based streaming and integrating AI to reduce these lags. By 2027, 5G integration aims to eliminate bandwidth-related problems. If problems persist, contact Xfinity support directly at 1-800-XFINITY or visit xfinity.com/support for real-time assistance and to check for any ongoing outages in your area.